Hey everyone, welcome to Discover and Learn. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Well, today I have a ready-made solution on how to speak English at different situations. Yes, I'm going to give you sentences or phrases which you can use directly while you are having a conversation outside in different situations. So I'm going to cover some situations where I'm going to tell you how you can talk about it and how you can speak in English with the other person about that situation or about that thing. You can directly use these sentences, these phrases, your real life situations. So are you excited? Well, before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, guys, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost. Now let's get started. The first situation is how you can book an appointment with a doctor. Yes, I'm going to tell you some phrases or sentences which you can use while you are making an appointment with a doctor or booking your appointment with the doctor. When you're calling a receptionist, when you're calling the hospital, what you have to say. Okay, the first sentence is, I want to book an appointment with a physician for tomorrow, first half. Is any physician available? So the first sentence is, I want to book an appointment with a physician for tomorrow in the first half. You can replace physician with anybody like pediatrician, dentist, dermatologist, or ENT, etc. etc. So whatever your specific reasons are, whichever specific doctor you're looking for. So you can just ask, I want to book an appointment for tomorrow for a physician in the first half. Is any physician available tomorrow? Okay, this is the second question you have to ask. The second thing you have to ask is anybody available tomorrow? Is any physician available tomorrow? Okay, then you'll get a reply and accordingly you can schedule it. So you can say, fine, can you please book my appointment for tomorrow at 10 o'clock? That's it. Right? You just have to say these things. You just have to ask if any physician is available tomorrow in the first half or tomorrow anytime. And you are looking for an appointment for tomorrow in the first half. So you're just asking about the physician availability. And then once you get the availability, you can ask the person to book your appointment for the particular slot. That's it. You don't have to say anything else here. Now, once your appointment is booked and you are at the doctor's clinic and you have to meet the doctor, right? How will you talk to the doctor? These things are very basic, guys. You don't need you just need to prepare beforehand. It doesn't change. There are few basic things which you have to say. You have to talk about your illness, what you are feeling right now. That is what the doctor is going to ask. The first question the doctor is going to ask you is, what happened to you, or what is your problem? What is your problem? The doctor will ask. Now you have to prepare your answer beforehand. You can talk about, I have a fever, I have cold and cough, I have runny nose, yeah, I don't feel like eating anything. So these things you can say. You just have to describe your illness, what you are feeling. So you're having a fever, you're having a sore throat, you're having a headache, okay, runny nose. So you can just talk about your symptoms here. So you can prepare this, right? Like what I said, like how I said. So whichever situation or condition you are in, you can just describe your condition, right? What you are feeling at that moment or what happened to you, basically. And then probably the doctor will ask one or two more questions to you, which probably you have to say yes or no. Okay. And then finally he'll prescribe some medicines and he'll tell you what medicine to take and how to take it. It's just that. And then you can just say thank you to the doctor and come out. Right? So this is it. So these are the ways you can start speaking about your illness or your symptoms to the doctor. And that's it. Nothing more you have to talk about there. Fine. So this is how you can talk to the doctor about your symptoms. So this is done. So you went to the doctor's, you got an appointment with the doctor. You went to the doctor and you spoke to him about your symptoms and you came back. So this is done. Next situation is you have to book an appointment with the salon. Okay, So a salon has a lot of things, right? You can do hair cutting there, you can do hair styling there, you can do makeup, you can do head spa, you can do any hair or face treatment, etc, etc. So there are lots of services which you can avail from the salon. So you have to decide what you are going to do, and then you have to call the salon and you can book the appointment. You can just ask the person, you can just tell the person, I want an appointment for this date. Is the hairdresser available, or is the stylist available, or is the makeup artist available? Whatever service you want to avail, you can just name that service and ask about your appointment, that I need an appointment for this date, like for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or probably a Saturday or a Sunday, for this thing, for hair styling, hairdressing, hairstyling, hair treatment, makeup, or anything else. Okay, you just need to ask this question, and then the person will tell you whether the artist is available to help you out with that. Okay, and then you can just confirm the appointment. Okay, so the person might say that yes, Sunday the hairstylist is available or the makeup artist is available. So you can just book the appointment by saying, okay, fine, please book my appointment for Sunday at 12. Please book my appointment for Sunday at 3 p.m. And if you want to inquire something, you can just ask about what are the costs. Okay, so you can just say, I need to inquire about the makeup charges or the hairstyling charges or hair spa charges. So you can just inquire about anything. Okay, you can inquire about any service, particular service. So this is another thing which you need to ask. And that's it. So you can easily book an appointment with a salon as well. Next comes how to book a hotel room or how to book a table. Okay, so if you have travel plans, and you're going to a different city and you want to book a hotel there, you can just call up the reception and you can just tell the dates. Okay, so you can say, I need a room for 2 on Sunday, so and so date. Is the room available? Okay, once the person tells you about yes, the room's availability, then you can ask about the charges. Okay, what are the charges, or what are the different categories you have, what facilities do you have at your hotel? So you can just inquire about these things, what facilities they have at the hotel, and how many types of rooms are available in the hotel. Okay, so you can inquire about these things, and then you can finally book the room. You can just tell the person, okay, fine, please book one deluxe room for Sunday. That's it, right? So this is how you can talk about booking a room in a hotel. Now, when you go to a restaurant, you want to pre-book the restaurant. Okay, probably you are taking your friends along for a party, or you're taking your family for dinner. Okay, so you can just call the restaurant and you can ask the availability. How will you ask that? You can just say, I need a table for 4 for dinner at 8 p.m. Okay, so you simply need to say this, that I need a table for 4 for dinner at 8 p.m. today. Is it available? And then the person will come back to you and say whether it is available at 8 p.m. or not, or whether it is available at 9 p.m. or whatever, and then you can decide on what slot you are picking up. If probably 8 p.m. doesn't work, maybe he will give you an option of 8:30 p.m. So you can just say, please book a table for 4 at 8:30 p.m. tonight. And you can just tell your name and get the booking done. That's it. You don't have to say anything else, guys. It's very simple. So you have to start talking in this way. Okay, the next situation is we very frequently order food online. Don't use Zomato, don't use Swiggy. I'm talking about calling up a restaurant and ordering food online. This is really going to help you. So you can call the restaurant. You can just tell them directly, I want to order food from your restaurant. Can you please help me with the starters? Then the person will tell you what the starters they have. You can just reply back to them and say, fine, I need a plate of Manchurian and honey chili potato for starters, right? Then you can ask about the main course, vegetarian. What do you have in vegetarian main course? The person will again give you some options. You can just get it done. Okay, I want to order a paneer kadai and a dal fry. Okay, And then accordingly, you can ask for rotis and rice and desserts and drinks, whatever you like. So accordingly, each section you can just ask the person and you can just tell them what you want to order. And that's it. You don't have to say anything else. Apart from this, if you are ordering from McDonald's or KFC or anywhere else which you know the menu, so you can just directly say, I want to order a burger, a French fries and a Coke. Okay, then the person might ask you that do you want to add anything else? So you can just ask what are the options for dessert or anything else you can just ask about. And whatever you reply you get, if you want to add a dessert or something else also, you can just add it. Okay, and that's it. You don't have to say anything more. It's so easy, guys. You don't have to do anything. You just have to practice 2 minutes before calling the number. That's it. Yes, start practicing in this way. I have given you the format, how you can start with. You just try to put your own things in that. Just fill in the blanks there. I gave you the format, how you can start with. You can just fill in the blanks like what you're ordering, which doctor you want to meet, what kind of room you want, when do you want, salon appointment, what kind of service you want to avail. So a lot of things are there. So you can just fill in the blanks. You can add your own thing there and the format will be the same. So I'm giving you a ready-made format which you can use as it is and you can speak in English in these situations, right? There are lots more which I'm going to come in my next session. I hope the session will help you a lot in many ways. So start practicing in this way, guys. It will make a difference. You will start speaking in English in actual situations with people outside. And this is really going to help you in your confidence building and your fluency. So start doing this and you will see the difference. So that's it, guys, for today. I'll be back in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.